Hello kids, today we will draw a cute submarine. So let's start. First draw a curved line, then draw it like a long stone. Make it a long oval shape, like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Well done, now draw the submarine upper part. Draw a box-like shape in front, but make it curvy. Draw some curvy line and connect it, like this. Now draw some line inside it. Draw two curved line on side, then draw a line in the middle. Look, we draw total 3 line. Good job, it's looking very great. Now draw the submarine telescope. First draw a L shape size. Well done, now draw another L shape size. Now draw a square box in front. Draw a rectangle shape, and it's done. Good job, now draw the submarine fins. Draw side fins, like this. Just draw it like a fish. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Look how cute it's looking. Now draw a half circle in the middle. Draw the half circle, then make the propeller. Draw a long flat shape, like this. Now draw the other propeller also. Just 2 propeller is enough. Well done, it's looking very nice. Now draw some line on submarine. Draw a curved line, just like this. Draw 2 curved line in the middle, then draw a line in front. Look, we draw total 4 lines. Now let's make some window in the submarine. First draw a small circle, like this. Then draw another circle outside. Well done, we complete the first window. Now draw the middle window. Draw the small circle, then draw the big circle. And it's done. Lastly, draw the last window. Do the same thing, and it's done. First draw a small circle, like this. Then draw another circle outside. Well done, look, we draw 3 window. Lastly, draw some line on propeller. Draw 2 line on both propeller. Now draw line on the telescope also. Draw 3 line, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use blue color and color the submarine. Color the second part of the submarine. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Color carefully, and don't color the window. Just color left and right. Left and right, and it's done. Color step by step, and it will look very great. Just color up and down. Up and down, and it's done. Now color the 4th part of the submarine. Don't color the middle part. Color the outline, then carefully fill the color. Just color left and right. Left and right, and it's done. Color the outline of the window, then fill the color. Just color up and down, up and down, and it's done. Color slowly and carefully, and don't make any mistake. Now use sky blue color and color the rest part of the submarine. Color the front part, like this. Now color the middle part, just like the other part. Color the outline of the window, then slowly fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Lastly, color the end part of the submarine, and it's done. Good job! Look how cute it's looking. Now use yellow color and color the telescope front. Color slowly, and it's done. Now use yellow color and color the upper part of the telescope. Color the outline first, then slowly fill the color. Color step by step, and it will look very great. Color the outline, then fill the color. You can also use different colors and make it more cute. Lastly, use yellow color on submarine propeller. Color the small part carefully, and it's done. Look how cute it's looking. Now use purple color and color the submarine fins. Color the upper one first, then color the lower fin. Do the same thing. Well done. Now use gray color and color the telescope. Color the pipe slowly, just like this. Now color the window also. Color only the circle, and don't color the outside. Good job! Now color the other window also. Just color round, and it's done. Lastly, color the half circle, and it's done. Now let's color the window side part. Use brown color and color the outside. It's very narrow part, so color carefully. Color round, and look, we complete the window. Good job! Now color the other window also. Just color round, and it's done. Lastly, use white color and make the drawing shiny. Draw some line on the telescope, like this. Well done! Now draw some line on window. Just make some line on gray color, and it's done. Lastly, draw some line on the submarine fin. Well done! We complete the drawing. Look how beautiful it's looking. Do you know that submarine run under the water? That's why they call submarine. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.